Hello guys. Welcome back to the second episode of Spectacular Earth. In the last episode we delved deeper into the intricate tapestry of our planet's history, where the balance between human civilization and the natural world has been intricately woven. As the echoes of the past guide us through the pages of time, we uncover the remarkable journey from the dawn of human settlements 10,000 years ago to the current juncture of our rapidly changing world. Our relentless pursuit of progress has set the stage for a remarkable transformation, one that has led us to both triumph and tribulation. Join us as we navigate through the narratives of adaptation, witness the pulse of life that perseveres, and learn what it truly means to forge a harmonious path forward for humanity and the environment. Wildlife still flourishes in astonishing numbers in a few precious places. Along the Peruvian coast of South America, seabirds congregate in colonies millions strong. They come here to breed. Every morning, the birds leave their colonies to fish in one of the richest seas on Earth. It is an astonishing daily migration of 5 million birds. The huge flocks of cormorants and boobies are all seeking one thing: anchovies. The boobies carpet bomb the shoals. More and more birds join the feeding frenzy. All in this immense assembly are here because a powerful oceanic current, the Humboldt, sweeps up from the Antarctic, bringing with it rich nutrients from the ocean's depths. 90% of the life in the oceans is found in the shallow seas close to the coast. Away from the land, the seas, for the most part, are a blue desert. But even these distant waters may be enriched by a most unexpected connection to the land. Some deserts, often hundreds of kilometers from the ocean, provide the raw materials for life. Every year, winds sweep up 2 billion tons of dust into the sky. At least a quarter of it eventually falls on the sea, providing nutrients needed by the microscopic organisms that are the foundations of ocean life. Dolphins explore the vast open ocean in search of the riches that distant deserts may have nourished. A shoal of mackerel has discovered a swarm of krill, the small crustaceans that feed on the ocean's floating microscopic plants. But the mackerel themselves are food for the dolphins. They drive the mackerel towards the surface and into the range of birds. Shearwaters, the wings that normally propel the birds through the air, now drive them 6 meters down through the water, whilst the birds pick off the top of the shoal. The dolphins attack the underside. After 20 minutes of feasting, the predators from both the sea and the air have had their fill. The stability of life on our planet relies on such connections between different habitats. Water evaporating from the surface of the sea condenses to form great clouds, and these eventually release the fresh water as rain. But these life-giving rains, while they overcome these trials, the unpredictable rain patterns continue to challenge their survival. A more regular rainfall could enhance life's abundance and diversity. Join us next time as we will delve into the life of flamingos and their connection with the balance of nature. Until then, keep exploring infinity.